Hey, good afternoon, everyone. 5:39 p.m. now on Wednesday, October 11th. And final wrap up for today. So I made a couple of very, very brief videos earlier in the day regarding today's price action in the NASDAQ. Actually, the NASDAQ and the S&P. So at the last update, price was I think like down here to come back down to the bottom of the range, chopping around. As you can see, late in the day here, the final really hour of the trading session, we popped out of the range here finally. This is a 15-minute chart, so yeah, this is 1, 2, 3 little candles and this one. So this is an hour, so really this is the last hour of the day. We popped out and then we did nothing, just kind of went sideways for the last 45 minutes. So I chose not to trade this anyways because I knew going late in the day it wasn't really going to have any follow through. So there was a little late buying and then one little pop, but you can see it didn't go anywhere. And so like I said, I just chose not to trade this. So so we'll see what happens tomorrow. If we zoom out a little bit, this is the 3-hour chart. This blue rectangle is probably the next little area of resistance this will hit, which is where it stopped today. But I do think it will get through this because really this whole area right here is just basically, kind of some retail noise value area. So I don't think there's any real major resistance until we get up to these highs up here, just before this big drop that you see on this candle. So I will be watching this to kind of see what happens. And again, my preference would be to see price kind of come inside this rectangle somehow, and then pop through here. And if we get close above, then I certainly would be looking for a move back up to here, which from current levels is about 260 points, which is quite a bit on this. So that's what I'll be looking for. And we go back down to a little bit lower time frame. Here's that rectangle. So we most certainly, you can see it's not a very wide rectangle. So certainly during the overnight hours or early tomorrow, pre-market session, or even the very beginning of the session, I would love to see price just kind of moving around on either side of this rectangle. And then, hopefully look for a break to the upside, and in which case I will most certainly be looking for longs, back up. So we'll see how it goes. But I just wanted to wrap up for today and just say, we really range traded right through the day. Really since yesterday afternoon, and right through finally until the last hour there that we finally popped out. So really nothing. Again, I don't trade inside these ranges, and so I just chose not to do it today. So, but that happens. We had 2 really strong trend days, and today was kind of quiet. And we had PPI and CPI numbers come out, and so I think that there was definitely some indecision about those numbers, and so the market just took a little bit of a breather here. So anyways, so that's it. We'll keep an eye on things for tomorrow. And like I said, if we can get some movement outside of this rectangle, then I'm definitely looking to establish some long positions. All right. That's it, guys. Have a great night. Talk to you soon.